Yes, people, welcome back to our next beautiful day in a Turkey. So, people, we're at this beautiful mosque. Now, I mean, we're somewhere else in a Turkey. We're actually in Lara, Antalya. So, we're still in Antalya, but we're actually in Lara, a next area from where we actually was. So, see what I go on and look at this beautiful mosque behind me. Look at it. That's it. Yeah, man. So, people, stay tuned, watch the video. We're actually heading towards a waterfall at the moment, and we'll show whatever in Lara, what is like in Lara. It's more tourist side than the where I am at the moment in the city. So stay tuned and watch how I go on. One love. Yeah, people, like me say, we are actually in Lara. Now, I mean, you know what's funny about these signs? Look what stop mean in Turkish. Stop. D-U-R. D-U-R. When we come to language, it's a bit funny how other countries spell different words differently than how spell it in English. But it's a similar pronunciation. But you guys, let me say, check out the video, guys. Now, I mean, share the video, tell a friend. All we're asking for, guys, just press the like button. Make everyone actually know what's going on. Active. I almost got run over by a car a while ago. I've watched the road and I'm filming. So, we're there, walk to the waterfall at the moment. I remember the first time I come to Turkey, the first time I spent in Lara, many years ago. It's a beautiful place, I never forgot. I always want to come back, so I'm trying to see if I can find back where I was the last time. You know what I mean? But that's years ago. So yeah, man. But for no one, we'll show you what this place is all about. Look what I go on. Yeah, people, like we were saying, actually in Lara, a different side of Antalya. You know what I mean? As you can see, like the palm beach, the palm tree, them is actually all vibes alike with this country. You know what I mean? They actually invest in these, look. The presentation is the key in everything. So it matter how your country look as a government clean, like this country is very, very clean. And you can see these spots is like where cat feed water for the cats. Them I don't know if I try to figure out why Turkish people love cats so much. I need to ask somebody a question. You know what I mean? So we're coming from all the way down there. Now we're actually going up there. So stay tuned, guys, and watch how I go on. So I'll cross by the road and open up to run over by a car. Trust me, the vibes. Yeah? So yeah, man, walking back to the waterfall now. Yeah, man. You can get one thing there, load of shops here, you can get your massage done, gym. So get me. All vibes. I wouldn't say I like this side of Lara more, this side of Antalya more than my side. It's two different sides. My side is more busy and more like the town center of the Antalya, like Oxford Street of London. We are staying at the moment, but this side is more quieter and it's close to the beach, which is my favorite thing in the world, the beach. So yeah, man. Stay tuned. Watch how I go on. So people, this actually is a little section where you can come and eat before you actually go in the waterfall. Now I mean, you can see, like you can see, I don't know what's going on right now, if it's still active, but it looks like it's still active because it still look a bit like people still here. But this is the water actually leading to waterfall right here. You know what I mean? You see the waterfall must be somewhere down there. So we're gonna follow this water all the way down until we come out on the fall. So yeah, man. What's you go on? So we're walking over this little bridge right here. I'm walking over the bridge. Yep. Just go and sit back and enjoy this video. You know what I mean? Remember, press a like as well upon the channel. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Everybody know where I go on. Yeah, man. We're gonna walk down this stretch right here. And see what else there. You can restaurant, you can get some nice food right there. 500 lira, that's about almost a thing of $5. I'm not sure if you do my calculation on Google. So you can buy a food, burger and chips, 400, pizza 480. I can sit right here and eat the food. Dig in. Like I'm hungry at the moment. Let's see what's on the menu. On the waterfall. See if we eat some fish. Because my last time I come to Turkey, I had some nice fish. That's a guy cook for me right on the beach with some chips. Never forgot that moment in my life. So let's see where I go on. I'm gonna get some fish to eat. Yeah, man. So see a sign right there. So anyone know the language or chance to know where exactly this is. Yeah, man. So people, stay tuned. When we get to the waterfall, we can show you what guys what's going on. Don't go nowhere. Yeah, people. So welcome back again, guys. We're further on down. We actually come from all the way up there. Remember? So we're actually closer to there where everything's going on. I see someone a while ago swing across that zip line right here. You can see it. So if it's active, I don't mind go for the experience. I can't swim though, and I'm worried if I drop off, what will happen? You know what I mean? But you're brave enough to take on the trip. So let's see what's going on. Some zip lining. I never did zip lining before in Jamaica, St. Elizabeth. Yeah, years ago. Yeah, I did that. But it's different though. Yeah, man. This is rough one by the minute down here. As you can see, they make a thing that in case you drop in the water, you can't go in the sea bit because they block it off right here. As safety features. Okay, this is where the zip line end. I'm going to go for it. Yeah, people, so the zip line come right here from all the way up down there. See that? Let me go and try it, guys, and go on a bit of entertainment idea. But guess what? We can't swim and I'm worried. I'm gonna drop off. You never can know. But let them think about it and see what I go on. Yeah man, so let's go to the sea now. Yep. Okay. This is the amazing waterfall that we actually come here to see. Let's get an overhead first before we go under. So let's go overhead and see what's like from this side. Yeah, man. Beautiful coastline right here. Duden waterfall. That's what waterfall is. Similar name like the one we was before earlier on. So let's get cracking and show you guys what's this place all about. What's this all excitement build up. The whole, you know what I mean? The whole thing. So let's go over there and see what go on. See what going on. Let's go over there, guys. Ready? Watch out. What's going on right here? Oh, take a picture of the bird if you want to. Hello, him can talk? He can talk? Sometime? Yeah.
You can say hello.
Hello? What go on?
Say hello. Say hello, Rio.
Shy? Are you shy? Are you shy? Alright, bro. Nice to meet you. Okay, so people gonna go down on the where the waterfall is. I'm just talking a while ago. Okay. You see that you're a bit shy. Like you want the mic again. Yeah man, guys. It's a beautiful place, beautiful country. People are friendly. The food is nice. I don't know nice food as yet, but we know the food is nice. Actually, we don't find it as yet. Yeah, man. Look at the people. Choke off. Let me come choke off. Choke off. Choke off. Choke off. Watch out. Wait. Oh, okay. Watch this. Watch this, man. Watch this. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Something so amazing to look at. Beautiful, man. This about if it drops, if it dive, only if you can dive off so far. Only if you can try it. Come on, come on. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Watch it, watch it, more dive off. Take off my shirt. Trip naked. Take off it. Nah, you're mad. I love my life. You get me, I say? Yeah, man. But you can't go through them gates though. They're well locked and tight. So if you want to think about jump off, if you go somewhere else, let's get this waterfall from a different angle. Watch this. Watch beauty. Watch nature. Watch this. Oh man, watch this, man. Yo. This is lovely. This is beautiful. Amazing. Word can't describe this place is all about. So look what I go on. Look what's going on at the moment. Look what's going on. Yep. Yeah, so beautiful. So amazing, people. And it's so far down. Before. Okay. I don't think you can chuck off. that's not chuck off vibes. Yeah, man. So we can get a different angle from right here. Let's see what I go on. Yeah? A different peak from right here. Look at it again. Look at it again. Look at the waterfall again because look how beautiful. Amazing, so. Yeah, man. This is the Dudin waterfall. I don't know if I pronounce it right. It's D-U D-E-N. This side, yeah? Perfect, yeah? What's your name, bro? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is
I'm
Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Yeah.
You're from Lara?
I am from Turkey, Adana.
Different side of Turkey.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Turkey.
Yeah.
You're perfect.
Perfect.
You like it?
I love it. I love it. I love it. So you're visiting on holiday?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just come look at this place, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright, bro. Nice to meet you, yeah? Okay.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. So you can show you what's going on. Look at your card. Your face.
Where from?
London.
London.
Yeah.
Ah.
So you can
YouTube.
see, I'll post you later,
Okay.
and you can see yourself.
Me or follow.
Eh?
Me or follow. Okay.
Yeah, you follow, yeah. So you want to say hello to anybody? Anybody in the world? You want to say hello to anyone?
Huh?
Do you want to say hello to anyone?
And two?
Hello to anybody. What do you want to say to the world? What do you want to say to the world? Come to Turkey.
Yes, I am working.
Are you working?
Camera.
Oh, your camera.
Huh?
Is it? Cameraman take pictures?
Camera working security.
Oh, security. Oh, okay. Okay, alright.
Very good. Plus normal. Normal.
Yeah. So tell people come to Turkey, yeah?
Yeah.
You tell everyone come to Turkey.
Yeah.
Come visit Turkey. Come eat good food. Come get your nose done.
Yeah.
Your teeth done. Yeah?
Funny. Crazy.
Alright, take care, yeah?
Bye-bye.
Bye, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, man. The vibes, people, the vibes. So, we can't chuck off though. We can't swim from right here. Let's see if we can swim. Let's see if we can swim right here. Look at it from right here. Yeah, look at it right from here. Look at it from right here. Yeah, man. So lovely, man. So beautiful. So interested. Trust me. It take me about at least about an hour to get here, hour and a half. And it's worth the journey. I love it. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. Watch where I go on. Yeah. We actually try to get to the mountain, but we don't reach as yet. What's this going on? Such right here. What's this all about? I noticed our nose is missing, so I wonder if it's something to do with our sculpture. Nose missing is something, a sign of something. But I don't know. I'm just guessing what it's all about. Who is this person? I think I think they should put these in English as well as the Turkish language. It's more better for us who will travel to know where go on. Yeah, man. So people, go and watch my people. Go and watch what's going on. And look how beautiful this place looks from this side as well. You can see the old vibes in the going back, all the way back the coastline. But try to get over that side somehow. Yep. Let's see this set. Oh, it's a better view from right here. It's a better view from right here. Let's see what's going on. Yep. You can see the view from right here. Look at the view. I'm enjoying local travel, man. Travel. So people open enjoy it as well, like I'm enjoying it. And all I'm asking for, guys, press a like on the video, share the video, tell a friend. That's it. I'm asking for nothing else. Trust me. Yeah, man. So stay tuned and watch where I go on. Yeah, people, so it was a lovely day. We ended up got 2 waterfalls today. You know what I mean? We're gonna show it on 2 separate videos, guys. We'll try to make the video a bit shorter for you guys who don't have the time to watch it a long video. You know what I mean? We're thinking of you as well. So this is the next waterfall. Duden waterfall. If I pronounce it wrong, correct me in the comment section, please. So guys, we're gonna walk back up the coast now and see what else is there. And you know what I mean, everything else there we actually will show you guys. You know what I mean? It's a lovely day. I've eaten properly as yet, but you know I'm belly full of life, of love. I don't feel really hungry. So you know what I mean? So guys, stay tuned, guys. Don't go nowhere. And we're going back up the coast up there. So come along with us as we still a tour Turkey. Today we're in actually Lara, more quieter, different vibes. You know what I mean? I'm actually I work with the public transport today. Buses. I'm trying to see a different side of the country, different culture. Come out in the taxis, I drive and I go on, and you don't know where you're going. And the bus actually mix and mingle with the people. So that's a perfect start. So don't go anywhere, guys. We're going back all the way over there. As you can see, going back over there. So stay tuned. Walk over there and make you know what's going on. Bless up. Don't go anywhere.